Hello, my dear listeners, and welcome back to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show. And today's episode is about a career that is not only fascinating but also plays a critical role in shaping a greener, more sustainable world. Imagine being the hero fighting for a cleaner planet, reducing pollution, and designing systems to protect the Earth's resources. Yes, we are talking about the career of an environmental engineer. Now, if you're passionate about protecting the environment, enjoy solving problems, and want to make a meaningful impact, this could be your dream career. So, buckle up as we dive deep into the world of environmental engineering. So, from the scope of this career to salaries, skills, and qualifications, you'll get all your answers here. So, let's get started. Hello, all. I'm Kapil Gupta, founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to coach and mentor 100,000 high school students and help them realize their dream of studying in the best universities of the world and build happy and successful careers for themselves. So, now let's talk about the scope of environmental engineering. Because, let's face it, scope and opportunities are always the first questions that come to mind when exploring a career. So, in India, the demand for environmental engineers has been steadily increasing. With rapid industrialization, urbanization, and growing concerns about pollution and climate change, industries, government bodies, and NGOs are hiring professionals to tackle environmental issues. Fields like waste management, water treatment, renewable energy, and environmental policy development are booming. And abroad, the scope is even broader. Countries like the United States, Canada, Germany, and Australia are pioneers in environmental sustainability. They heavily invest in green technologies, eco friendly infrastructure, and renewable energy projects. International organizations such as the United Nations, World Bank, and Greenpeace also offer exciting opportunities for environmental engineers. So, in short, whether you want to work in India or abroad, this career is both rewarding and impactful. But then, what exactly does an environmental engineer do? Now, let me break it down for you. Environmental engineers are like detectives and problem solvers for the environment. Their work revolves around identifying, assessing, and solving environmental issues. And some of their key responsibilities include designing waste treatment systems to reduce pollution and recycle resources, developing renewable energy solutions like solar, wind, and bioenergy systems, and conducting environmental impact assessments for industrial and construction projects, implementing water purification systems to provide safe drinking water, and working with policymakers to draft and enforce eco friendly laws and regulations. Now, their work environment can vary. You could be in an office designing systems or on site monitoring industrial processes. Some environmental engineers also work in research labs, universities, or government departments. Now, it's a dynamic career where no 2 days are the same. So, now let's talk about the skills and qualifications you need to become an environmental engineer. Now, talking about the skills required, problem solving skills. You'll face complex environmental challenges, so creativity and critical thinking are a must. In technical expertise, a strong understanding of engineering principles, chemistry, and biology is crucial. In communication skills, you'll often work in teams or with clients, so clear communication is key. In analytical thinking, You'll need to analyze data, monitor projects, and ensure everything meets environmental standards. And then, passion for the environment. Last but not the least, genuine passion and commitment to protecting the environment will keep you motivated. And to start your journey, you'll need a bachelor's degree in environmental engineering or related fields like civil engineering, chemical engineering, or environmental science. Now, some advanced roles may require a master's or even a PhD. So let me tell you some of the top universities in India for environmental engineering: IIT Delhi, Mumbai, and Madras, the National Institute of Technology, Trichy and Warangal, then BITS Pilani, Anna University, Chennai, then DTU in Delhi. So, for those eyeing international education, here are some of the best universities abroad: MIT, United States; Stanford University, again US; then ETH Zurich, Switzerland; University of Cambridge, UK; University of Melbourne, Australia. So once you have your degree, you can specialize in areas like water resource management, air pollution control, or sustainable development. Now, let's move on to the big question and the exciting one: how much can you earn as an environmental engineer? So, in India, entry level salaries for environmental engineers range between 3 to 6 lakhs per annum. With experience, this can go up to 10 to 15 lakhs per annum, and especially if you're working for multinational companies or in senior positions. In countries like the United States, the average annual salary for an environmental engineer is around $70,000 to $90,000. Now, in Canada, it's approximately 65 to 90,000 Canadian dollars per year. And countries like Germany, Australia, and UK also offer competitive salaries ranging from 40 to 80 lakhs per annum. So, of course, these numbers can vary based on your qualification, experience, and the industry you work in. So, let's wrap up today's episode. Environmental engineering is not just a career, it's a calling. It's about making a difference, one eco friendly project at a time. As an environmental engineer, you'll play a crucial role in protecting our planet and ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. And remember, the world needs more change makers like you who can combine passion with skills to tackle the environmental challenges we face today. So, if this career excites you, take the first step. Work hard and pursue your dream of becoming an environmental engineer. And if you have questions, suggestions, or just want to say hello, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help and engage in meaningful conversations with you. And there's a link in the description of the podcast that can help you connect with me. So if you found value in the podcast, help us reach more listeners by sharing with your friends, family, and colleagues who might benefit from our discussions. And don't forget to leave a review below the podcast. So thank you for tuning in to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show. And until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.